So you see this blue line right here. This blue line represents YouTube search as my main traffic source for my YouTube channel. And as you can see, it has been consistently going up every single week. And that is mainly because of the one feature that I'm going to show you in TubeBuddy. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So in one of my most recent videos where I talked about how much money I was making on YouTube, I also show you that I've been getting more views every single month for the past 6 months. And so many of you have left me comments asking me, how is this possible? What exactly am I doing to get more views every single month on my YouTube channel? And if you guys want to go and watch that video, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video for you to go and watch that video. But basically, I've been able to increase my views on a monthly basis, posting the same amount of videos that I've been posting for the past few months. The only thing that I've been doing is focusing more on what type of videos are driving my views to my channel, really diving into my analytics and finding out what is working when it comes to generating views, subscribers, and making more money. And so what I wanted to do is bring you a quick review of one of the main tools that I've been using to get more views on my channel, which is TubeBuddy. I've been using TubeBuddy for the past few months, and I'm going to show you some of the main features that has allowed me to get more views to my channel, get more subscribers. Right now, as of making this video, over 20,000 subscribers on my channel. And hopefully you can use this information yourself. You can utilize TubeBuddy to also get more views for your own YouTube channel. So what I'm planning to do in this video is basically just dive into my YouTube analytics, show you how TubeBuddy can help you get more views for your channel, help you get more views for your videos, and how you can get consistent views. The one thing that I've been doing to get consistent views every single month. All right, so I'm going to show you some of the main things that I like about TubeBuddy and how exactly it has helped me to get more views for my channel. And once you download TubeBuddy for Google Chrome or Firefox, basically it allows you to get a lot of stats and a lot of inside information about any video that you want on YouTube. So in this case, in this video that I'm watching right now, you can see that on the right hand side, it has the video analytics for this specific video that is not mine. It shows me whether this video was actually shared on social media, and it's also showing me the tags for this specific video. So if I'm researching a topic on YouTube, if I want to create a video that is very similar to another video on YouTube, of course I want to know the meta analytics for this video. I want to know exactly what type of keywords they're targeting, if the video was actually shared on social media. So I want to know all that information, and TubeBuddy makes it very simple for you to see that information. So I could easily just see the search rankings for this specific tags by just clicking on the button. And just by clicking on it, you can see where this video ranks on the YouTube search results. So by just clicking on that, it's showing me that this video is ranking number 4 for my streams of revenue. Now, if I actually wanted to create a video and I wanted to copy some of those tags, I could easily do that by just clicking on copy tags, allowing me to put that on a notepad or something, and when I upload my videos, I could use some of those tags for my own video. So once you install the extension, you can see some of the main features here on top. Like you can do bulk edits to your video, like title and description. So if I click on it, you can see that I can find and replace anything that I want on the description of my videos. So if you have a ton of videos and you need to replace a link or you need to remove something from your description, you can easily do that with TubeBuddy instead of having to just edit video by video. So this feature makes it extremely easy for you to replace anything in bulk to all the videos on your own YouTube channel. As you can see, some of the main things that you could do here, bulk editing process that you can do. But I want to show you something that has helped me track how my videos are doing on YouTube. So I'm going to click here on this video for details. And if we scroll down to this video, you can see that is showing me where this video is ranking for all the keywords that I use. In this case, you can see that I have multiple number 1 results for this specific keyword that I was targeting, allowing me to get consistent views, because the longer I'm sitting on the first page of YouTube for whatever keywords that I wanted to target, the more views that I'm going to get at the end of the month. So if I have 200 videos that are sitting on the first page of YouTube, that means that I'm gonna get consistent views every single month. And this is why you can see in my YouTube channel as my main traffic source, you can see that my views from YouTube search consistently go up every single month. And that's mainly because I apply this process of creating videos for search, but also creating videos for suggested, and really diving into my YouTube analytics, finding out what is working, what is not working, how can I improve some of the videos, which I'm going to show you right now. If I click here on the TubeBuddy little icon, it's going to show me this little tool called Keyword Explorer. So if I just click on Keyword Explorer right now, I'm going to show you a quick example of how this works. So let's say I want to create a video about making money. So I'm going to just type make money, and it's going to give me a list of suggested videos, suggested keywords that I could target with my own video. So I'm going to click on make money on YouTube here, and it's going to start looking for related keywords. It's going to tell me how much competition there is for this specific keyword and whether or not it's a good idea for me to create a video about this specific topic. So as you can see, this keyword is searched very often, but it's very bad to target because it is extremely competitive and hard to rank for, which I agree. So if you have a small YouTube channel, if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, it's not a good idea to create videos about this specific topic because you're not going to be able to rank on the first page of YouTube for that keyword. Related keywords that are a little bit easier, it might be a better idea to create a video and focus the metadata on those specific keywords. So for example, let's say that I wanted to create a video about make money on YouTube 2020. So if I click on make money on YouTube 2020, you can see that now we have increased our odds to fair. So now we have a better chance of ranking on the first page of YouTube because we have chosen a keyword that doesn't have a lot of competition like the first one. So the process of actually researching a topic, keywords, knowing the metadata, knowing your thumbnails, all this is crucial in order to know how a video is going to do before you even make that video. And this is something that I take very seriously. I actually take the time to research every single keyword, every single phrase that I want to try to rank for on YouTube. And like I said, this is just one of the many features that TubeBuddy provides when you actually use their tool. They have a thumbnail generator if you want to create your own thumbnails. They have a health report, video A/B testing, which allows you to see which thumbnails are actually getting you the most views, and a ton of different other features that you can implement with your own YouTube channel. They have a checklist when you're uploading a video, a checklist that you can go through and see whether or not you're actually doing everything you can possibly do to make sure that your video is highly optimized for YouTube and you have the best chances of getting the most views for your video. So TubeBuddy is a very powerful free tool that you can add to your browser, and basically allowing you to research and find out what are the keywords, what are some of the things and topics that you can create videos on to help you get more views for your channel. That's exactly what I've been doing over the past few months because I wanted to create this balance where I could create videos basically trying to get suggested, but at the same time I wanted to get consistent views every single month. So I'm not relying 100% on just YouTube trying to promote and push one of my videos to a lot of people. I also wanted my videos to be found on the YouTube search results so I could rank videos and make sure that that video will get consistent views every single month for at least 12 months. Depending on the type of channel that you have, you might have to jump into the Keyword Explorer tool and find out what are some of the keywords that you can target with your videos and try to rank on YouTube to help you get more views on a monthly basis. So you can download TubeBuddy for your YouTube channel completely free. You can click the link in the description below, depending on your niche and exactly what are the keywords that you can utilize to attract more targeted viewers for your channel, more targeted subscribers, because you don't want to have 100,000 subscribers on your channel who are not watching your video. The best way to do that is by targeting specific keywords, going after those people who might be searching for keywords and topics around the type of videos that you're making right now. So like I said, if you guys want to try it out, I'm going to put a link in the description below. go ahead, download it, test it out for a few weeks. Let me know how that works. And if it works well for you, let me know in the comment section below. With that said, I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you did like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.